Hi, I'm Kat Wilson from Apositiva in Portland, Oregon. This is the time of year in the holiday season where many people are thinking about giving gifts to those they know or even receiving them. This is going to be the 12th year that we at Apositiva have given a gift from people who have come to one of our workshops, and it's a very special thing. It's called the Past Life and Future Life Workshop. We hold it on December the 31st and January 1st, Past Life, on December 31st, and Progressions on January 1st. Usually we charge about $300 to $400 for a workshop like this, but at this time of year, those people who are participants in the workshop come and bring an envelope with cash or a check written to the Portland Rescue Mission. And what we do is we bring those envelopes over to the mission, and all this goes towards the people who are homeless. We also ask people to bring coats and scarves, hats and mittens, all those kind of things that keep you warm in the wintertime. This is a gift that we take 100% of whatever comes in, and we deliver it to those people who are in need. I put this out for your consideration. Think about those people who you can make a special gift out of your services or maybe your skills. And for those of you interested in attending a group past life or future life regression workshop, contact us soon. We have a small amount of spaces left, but if you contact us soon, you can probably grab some. So we look forward to seeing you there, and I wish you the very best this holiday season as you look into all those ways that you can give and also to help others.